Hi everybody, it's the Soap Man and it's time to make another batch of soap. So as you can probably tell, I'm at the church to do a big batch for the street ministry. I'm going to be doing a similar to what I did last week, another Christmas soap. This will only be the the final Christmas soap I'm going to be doing. Going to be based on the last. I'm going to have titanium dioxide for the white, green vibrance for the green, and raspberry red for the red. And last week I did confetti soap with a drop swirl on top and on the bottom, and then the confetti was in the center in the white. I'm just going to be doing a real quick and simple in the pot swirl today. So roughly half of the batter will be white, and the other two halves will be a mixture of the raspberry red and the green vibrance. Once again, like last week, I'm going to fragrance this with Alpine Frost from Crafter's Choice. So I got my oils and my hot lye ready to mix together, so when I get everything set up, I'll come back and we'll get started. Okay, I am finally ready, so let's get our accent colors mixed up. I went ahead and mixed the titanium dioxide in, because I had a lot of it and it took a pretty hefty stick blend. So these are just micas that will easily stir in. Oh, just about messed that up. Just about. So we'll stir our red in, which is Nurture Soap's Raspberry Red, which I don't think they make anymore. I believe it was replaced with Queen of Hearts. Fairly certain. Alright, it's the next day and back and time to cut our soap. So I did basically the same as last week, only I used in the pot swirl, and I actually, just looking at the sides, think I like it better, and I like the colors. I actually like the lighter green. The one I did last week, I put more green vibrance in it, which gave it a darker green, but I think I like that better. So let's just do the main reason we're here and cut into them. Everything went really well on the pour, just exactly like I was hoping. Oh yeah, look at those. I like these better than the confetti. I think these look way nicer. Alright, so let's just, because I think each individual log is going to look a little different from the other. Yep. Yeah, definitely more red in the center log. And let's cut the final log and see what it looks like, because I have a feeling, yet again, it's going to be different. Just looking at the side, it's different from the sides of the others. Sure do. Look at those. Very nice. I think those are my favorite ones so far. So, same colors, same fragrance, different pour, different amounts of the colors, different soap drastically, and I think I like this one better than the confetti. As a matter of fact, I know I like this one better than the confetti. So, I'll finish cutting these and I'll line them up and get a photo snap, and that's what I have for this week. Like always, thanks for watching. Y'all stay safe. Take good care of yourselves and be blessed, and I'll see you next time. Bye, everybody.